Yes, with what I think about the book. I have read the book, and let me tell you, because it's a youth-centered. Ladies and gentlemen, honest. Renting a jet ski in Thailand. The only word you have to say is, I'm an Indian.
Very honored to be here today and to be associated with Vipulji for the launch of this book. Vipulji is a bureaucrat, as you all have been told, and when he wrote his first book, it was somewhat of a surprise for me because you don't normally associate bureaucrats with writing books and writing bestsellers, but Vipulji has been very special. We met in Gujarat when I was doing the tourism campaign for the state, and that's the time when we spent many happy moments together. And Piyushji, who was here with us. Of late, there have been many bureaucrats that have been writing some very exciting books. We know of the very famous Slumdog Millionaire, which was written by an IFS officer. Apparently, he's written another book. And how wonderful to find different vocations associated with these professionals who are there to guide us and tell us what the country should do and how we should conduct our lives as a nation. So many congratulations to you, Vipulji, and to everyone connected, Random Book House, for publishing this book, and several friends who are here, Shalji and Digmanshu, and everyone who are lending support to this wonderful cause. Thank you so much for that.
I request all of you to be seated down, and once again, from the bottom of our hearts, thank you once again.
I think it's fiction is a mode of writing in which you can say a lot of things without actually meaning to say those things, you know. It's very safe for bureaucrats to write fiction.
There's a group of people in Switzerland who have decided to reinvent, in a way, many works of Charlie Chaplin that the world has not seen, and perhaps they were unknown to the rest of not just the movie world, but also to the audience in general. And this is an attempt to well, bring those films out, to reprint them, to do whatever salvage work can be done. Do another Kajrare or do another film?
All three of you all together again. I
Sorry?
mean, after so many years, all three of you all together.
I haven't seen this news, and I just had lunch with my family and nobody talked about it, so I guess it must be a rumor. Many a times you want to read a book either for its story value or for the values that the story brings to you. And I find both of these in my father's work, so I have not digressed too much.
The best to the book. And Mr. Mitra, the session is open for photo ops for a while.
No worries. Thank you. Double one. Thank you so much.